This is Island 19.
Espo.
Glass? Or cold molded?
Nope. Thank God for him.
Plank on frame. It's hard to comprehend.
That's how fair they are.
Yeah.
Except they're all just on top of each other.
Yeah.
Very thoughtful kind of arranging of puzzle pieces.
Displacement launch.
Basically an expanded learning.
Yeah.
And, so, let's see. Way in the corner is pink, the Eggemoggin 47 plus, the third generation of the 47s. Oop, that quarter. I mean, you can't really see much of the boat, but and watch yourself here. Pretty aggressive underbody keel.
So what are some characteristics of that make it aggressive?
Characteristics of it, the way that it changed from the previous second generation is that one, it's a deeper keel by about a foot. It's a shorter chord section.
Okay.
Chord being
Deeper meaning, so total.
depth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shorter chord meaning.
Shorter chord meaning skinnier this way.
Okay.
Fore to aft.
Yep.
It's a slightly different foil shape, and the bulb is a different design as to what was there before.
And that was an in-house design?
Yeah.
All that?
Yeah. Who you didn't get to meet Will Sturdy. He was in that meeting.
Yeah.
Down on that floor when he came down the stairs. But Will had. Well, I'll go back a little bit. Will came to Brooklyn Boatyard from the Webb Institute, which, anyways, he and his not then girlfriend